What is an operating system, and how did it work in early computers? Imagine trying to run a computer without any software to organize tasks. Chaotic, right? That's where an operating system comes in. It's the software that manages all the hardware parts of a computer and makes sure everything works smoothly together. Think of it as the conductor of an orchestra, coordinating different instruments so they create beautiful music. Back in the 1960s, computers were massive machines, often filling entire rooms. They were mainly used by universities, government agencies, and large companies. These early computers didn't have operating systems like we do now. Instead, programmers had to manually set up each task by flipping switches or inserting punch cards. This process was slow and required a lot of effort. By the late 1950s and early 1960s, things started to change. The first operating systems appeared, and they were pretty simple. These early systems were called batch processing systems. They allowed operators to group similar jobs together, like running payroll or scientific calculations, and then feed all these jobs into the computer at once. The computer would then run each batch one after another without needing someone to set up each task individually. As computers became faster and more powerful, operating systems grew more advanced. One major step was multiprogramming. This meant the computer could hold several programs in its memory at the same time. If one program was waiting for data from a tape or disk, the operating system would switch to another program, keeping the machine busy. This made computers much more efficient and able to do more work in less time. Another big development was time sharing. This allowed multiple users to work on the same computer at once, each with their own terminal. The operating system would quickly switch between users, giving each person a small slice of time. This made it feel like everyone had their own computer, even though they shared one machine. Operating systems also started managing resources like memory, printers, and storage devices. They handled the details of reading and writing data, so programmers didn't have to worry about hardware issues. This made computers easier to use and opened up new opportunities for more people to access them. One of the most famous early operating systems was Unix, created at Anti-Bell Laboratories in the late 1960s. Unix was special because it could run on different types of computers, making it portable. It was also free and easy to modify, which helped it become popular in universities and research labs. Many ideas from Unix influenced later operating systems, including those used in modern computers and smartphones. So, in the 1960s, operating systems were the brains behind early computers. They made machines more efficient, easier to operate, and capable of handling multiple tasks and users at once. These early systems set the stage for the fast, powerful computers we use today.